Hi, welcome back to Channel Vem, and for today I'm going to make another haul, and this time it's from Shop Cali. Yeah, so this is the name of the shop. Ito yung packaging din nila. So it's bubble wrap inside. Meron siyang envelope and then bubble wrap, and dito nila nilalagay yung mga nabibili nating mga accessories. So it's an accessory shop and it's good for everyday use, non-tarnish, and then maganda yung quality. Yeah, so napagkakamalang real gold, yung mga gold, kasi gold and silver yung available. Okay, so to start with, I'm sure if nakasubscribe ko sa channel ko, you've seen na ito yung ginawan ko ng video. Tapos ito yung jewelry organizer. So it looks like this. May laman na siya kasi ginamit ko siya recently because I went on out of town. Yeah, so first time kong gamit and it's really convenient kasi maraming nalalagay. And then, yeah, cute kasi hindi siya bulky. Yeah, so ito yung jewelry organizer nila. Two variations ito, tapos old rose. Okay. And, may mga nabili ako mga accessories sa kanila. Mostly are earrings. I also have piercing and necklace and anklet. So, wala ako nung mga gift set nila. And wala pa akong ring and bracelet. Yeah. Yeah, so to start with, I'm going to share this one. Kasi isa lang kasi to. The rest are gold. So this is the only silver na nabili ko sa kanila so far. And it's called silver hoop earrings. Yes. Yeah. So disclaimer lang, when you visit their shop, their items look bigger, pero in actual hindi. Yes, pero naka-indicate naman sa description ang sizes. Yes, so I like this because social siyang tingnan. Na-prepare ko siya sa ibang accessories from other shop. Yes, and it looks like this. Yes, so I think ito yung ginamit ko nung nagbiyahe ako. So, yan. 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 So, maganda siya at hindi siya mabigat. Yeah, so silver hoop earrings yung name. Ito. And next is, so this is the only silver piece of silver na nabili ko sa kanila so far. And ito pala, when you buy accessories from them, it's placed inside this plastic bag, ziplock. Yan. So every time na matapos mo siyang gamitin, you can keep it inside para hindi masira or malikabukan. Next is, I had this gold one. It's called Jenny rectangular hoop. Mahilig ako sa hoop kasi ayoko ng stud na wawala kasi yung lock. Yeah, so this is also my favorite kasi almost every day pwede ko siyang gamitin, and yan, I can even wear it kahit naliligo. Yan. So, almost the same pero mas manipis. Yes. So, it's gold and may mga stones siya dito sa harap. Yan. Yeah. So, this is Jenny rectangular hoop. Rectangular kasi ganito yung shape niya. Oh. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. So, again, hindi siya malaki. It may look bigger sa picture but actual hindi. Yeah. So, next to Jenny is the Debbie. I think this is the very first pair na nabili ko sa kanila. Debbie double hoop. Again, double hoop kasi dalawa. Yan, circles and then may stones. Same rin sa kabila. And this is only 9mm, so hindi masyadong malaki. It's very cute, so you can, if marami kayong like ganyan butas, so you can wear them all together kasi hindi masyadong malaki. Yan. Yan. Pwedeng pang formal, pwedeng pang casual. Yeah. So this is Debbie. Bagay rin pang everyday kasi hindi mabigat. And of course, recently may nabili rin akong mga stud earrings. Yes, kasi nakikute talaga ako. And this, sinabay ko sila. Actually, dalawa sila. The first one is called Dainty Bow Stud. Yan. Yan, bow. So, stud kasi ganito, may ganito yung lock niya. Yes. Yung ibang studs nila mahaba. Yan. So, maliit lang siya. Ayan. Ganyan lang. So cute. Ayan. Yes. And then, malaki yung lock. Malaki siya. Ayan. Dainty Bow Stud. And then, may kasabay siya na gold clover. I think ito, common siya. Kasi meron din silang black, may white. But this one is the gold one. It's a gold clover. Yan. Yan. So, medyo malaki siya. And medyo mahaba. Mahaba yung stem ng stud niya. Malaki rin yung lock. Yan. Yan. I think ito is they have the gift set. Gift set meaning may ka-pair na necklace or bracelet. Yan. Yes. And it comes in black and white ata. But this one I got the gold. Parang wala atang silver. Yes. And then, I also have like, yeah, tapos na to. Kasi hindi ko memorize yung names nila. So far, naghahanap talaga ako ng mga chunky earrings so that it will fit my OOTD. Yan. So, this is, I think, the biggest earring na nabili ko sa kanila. It's called Calista Chunky Hoop Stud. So, this is 25mm. So, ganito siya. Nasuot ko na siya when I was wearing white top. Yes, so, I think ito na yung pinakamalaki nila. Yan. Yan. Hindi siya masyadong mabigat. Yes. And, maganda yung kulay. Yan. So, i-pair natin yung kabila para makita natin yung full beauty. Yan. Yan. So, 25mm. Yan. Yan na ata yung pinakamalaki nila. Yeah, sometimes hindi available lahat ng stocks kasi nagkakaubusan. Yeah, so and minsan nga kahit sa live, naubos yung mga items nila. Yeah, so next to this is, eto, isa lang siya kasi wala siyang pair. It's because piercing siya. So, no pairs. Usually, when you buy their piercing, sold per piece. I got the silver one because the gold one was not available. And this is called the Steel Bea Butterfly Piercing. So, maliit lang siya. And nilalagay ko siya dito. Dito sa part. The problem is, yung lock niya is so small. Yeah, kasi may mga piercing akong iba. And, hindi ganito kaliit yung lock. Like, yan, yung circle, that's the lock. Nilalagay dito. Pero, advantage is, hindi siya masakit kapag sinusuot. Pag na-touch yung dito sa likod. So, it's not. Yes, dito. Maliit lang. Hindi ko na siya susuotin kasi natatagalan na kung magtanggal ng lock niya. Yes, pero iniikot lang siya. Hindi siya yung stud na ginaganon lang. Iniikot siya para mag-lock. Yan. Maliit siya. Yes. So again, if it's a piercing, wala pong pair, it's sold per piece. Next is, another chunky one. This is called Alicia Stud Earrings. Yes, so nagagandahan rin ako sa style niya. Para siyang clam. Yeah. Or shell, like that. Yan. So, maganda rin to, pang formal. Yeah. So, walang silver, only gold. Yan. So, tingnan natin. That's so nice. At hindi siya mabigat. Yes. Yeah. And their items are hypoallergenic. So, walang kate. Yes. Yeah. So, maganda talaga. And then, I even share it with my sisters na bumili sa kanila. Kasi maganda talaga yung items nila. Although, there are also other shops na nagbibenta ng ganito. Pero yung quality nila is very nice talaga. And then, as I mentioned earlier, I also have their anklet. Yung anklet ko is partner ng necklace. So, ito yung anklet. This is only their, what they call this, steel beaded anklet. Yan. Anklet siya, may adjustan. Yeah, so, kung malaki, maliit yung paa nyo. Yes. So, yeah, maganda. And, this is the necklace. I think this is one of the first items na nabili ko after ng jewelry organizer. Yeah, so ito, I like this kasi na prepare ko siya sa ibang necklace, then I can layer them. Yes, and funny thing is that when I introduced this to my sisters, yung tatlong sisters ko, meron din silang ganito. And I don't know where nila nabili. Yeah, and then we took a picture. Yes. So, kaming apat pa lang ngayon. That's why I shared na there is an anklet available sa Shopkali para ma-pair. And I think they also have the bracelet na ganito. Yes, meron din silang rings. Yes. And yeah, I think that's all. And pero for sure bibili pa ako kasi may mga updated kasi sila sa mga bagong items, may mga pearls na sila, may evil eye. Yes. And then, wala pa akong rings. Gusto ko ng ring, pero hindi available yung parang ganito, yung beaded. Yes. But affordable lang. And they're available in Shopee and TikTok. Yes. Yeah. So, don't forget, Shop Kelly. And that will be all for today. So, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.